Today on Engineering Newswire, we're enjoying a robotic massage, taking a ride in the world's first golf cart Jetpack, and herding cattle with a rugged robot. Say hello to Emma, your new massage therapist. She'll never tire or forget where you need applied pressure. How is this possible? Well, Emma, short for Expert Manipulative Massage Automation, is actually a robot which can assist physicians and physiotherapists by giving targeted massages. It is the product of Singaporean startup iTreat and was developed by Nanyang Technological University graduate Albert Zhang. Zhang's aim was to address the shortage of trained therapists found in China. With Emma, physicians will still retain control of the treatment plan while Emma steps in to do the heavy lifting. Therapists begin by physically guiding Emma through the type of massage that it needs to perform. The robot will then continue the motion on its own using a combo of a 3D stereoscopic camera system and a 3D printed pressure-sensitive massage tip. Emma's sensors and diagnostic functions measure the progress of the patient and the exact stiffness of a particular muscle or tendon. These details can be uploaded to the cloud where progress is monitored. The one-armed robot is currently undergoing clinical trials at the Kin Tek Tong Medical Institution and has already been used on 50 patients to successfully treat conditions including tennis elbow, lower back pain, and stiff neck and shoulders. Once the current trials are over, the startup will focus on developing a more compact and mobile second-generation robot.
All my golfing viewers out there, it's time to listen up. As some of you may know, Bubba Watson, one of the top 5 golf players in the world, loves to experiment with different ways of getting around the course. In fact, just 3 years ago, he boarded a hovercraft and glided over fairways and bunkers. Well, Bubba has now moved on to his next mode of golf course transit, the world's first golf cart jetpack known as the BW Air. Based on Martin Aircraft's current pre-production prototypes, the golf cart jetpack can fly as high as 3,000 feet and as fast as 46 miles per hour thanks to a 210 horsepower engine powering 2 ducted fans. So it's more or less just a standard Martin jetpack with additional spaces for clubs and sand bottles. And alright, so maybe the promotional video is just a publicity stunt between Oakley, Martin Jetpack, and Bubba to celebrate golf's return to the Olympic Games after 112 years, but Bubba does make some good points. According to the pro, the jetpack will make the game faster, more fun, and provide an advantageous view of the golf course. Plus, you no longer have to ride with that annoying golfer that has to tell you all about his score. However, even Bubba is not allowed to fly in the jetpack yet. Only once the certifications and market release goes ahead can Bubba then start flying around the course. And if you want to get your hands on this golf cart jetpack too, they will reportedly become available for purchase by December 2017 for 200,000 big ones.
Now, I've never been to Australia, but I hear it's a big place, and all that space makes a great habitat for raising cattle. The only downside for ranchers is that they don't get to check out their cattle very regularly. To assist with this issue, researchers from the Australian Centre for Field Robotics at the University of Sydney have designed an all-terrain robot called SwagBot, and they recently just completed its first field test. What makes the robot unique is that it can drive over almost anything while helping humans manage their ranch land in a variety of capacities, from towing equipment to herding animals. The electric four-wheeled bot has a rugged waterproof chassis and is able to overcome swamps, logs, and sudden drops without toppling over. Currently, the robot is battery operated and can reach speeds of 9 to 12 miles per hour on smooth terrain. While the bot depends upon humans to operate it, the researchers hope to eventually enhance it with sensors that will allow it to gain more autonomy and perform additional tasks such as monitoring sick animals, weeding, or inspecting fences. So look out, there may soon be a new ranch hand in town. Yeehaw!
Do you have story ideas? Comment below and we'll cover them in an upcoming episode. For the PD&D channel, I'm Abby Dean, and this has been your Engineering Newswire.